Hello everyone, this is Kyra from SMC's Teaching and Learning Center. In this video, I'm going to talk about media kits. First things first, what is a media kit? Well, media kits are documents created by companies to provide more in-depth information about themselves or their product. They are usually sought out by journalists, curious consumers, or students who are writing a rhetorical analysis paper. Those of you who fall under the third category are likely wondering why it is necessary to find a media kit. One reason is that many teachers who assign a rhetorical analysis will require the media kit to be a source in your essay. A second reason is that, as mentioned previously, media kits provide a wide range of detailed and accurate information that will be beneficial for the sections of your paper discussing the rhetorical appeals. It may be useful for pathos and logos, but it is especially helpful when looking at the ethos of a company. For more information regarding rhetorical appeals, click on the link in the comments below or go to the TLC channel to watch a video on rhetorical appeals. So, what kind of information does the media kit provide? This can vary from company to company, but three commonalities I have found include the company's contact information, an explanation of the services a company provides or the uses for their product, and statistics for the type of audience most commonly gained by the company or product, also known as the demographic. In identifying their perceived target audience, you can then analyze for yourself if the company is succeeding in this goal. Finally, and what I'm sure most of you viewers have been waiting for, is how to actually find the media kit. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to the Google search bar, type in the name of the company you are researching, and then add the words media kit. Next, click on the source that has the company's official website connected to it. On the media kit page, you should be able to find the About section relating to the company, their audience statistics, and other information. If you'd like to see some more videos from the Carol A. Tate Teaching and Learning Center, hit that subscribe button. We are here for you. Thanks for watching!